today we're going to do a car wash sensory bin. For this, we're going to need some water and some dish soap. And you can do this in the backyard on a hot sunny day or on the deck, or you could do it in the bathtub or on the kitchen floor. So first we'll put in some water. A big bin's a lot of fun, but you can also do a bowl or a big pot. Then we'll add in some dish soap. And now we'll get lots of bubbles. You can also use a brush. Have your kiddo help with this. Get lots of wonderful big bubbles and you can see them. And then add in your cars for your car wash. Or maybe you've got dolls and you could have a beach party. Or perhaps you just have some cups and maybe one of those little water-proof tea sets, like a plastic tea set. Put in sponges, small brushes, larger brushes, all kinds of different textures. And stir it all around and get lots of bubbles. You can have your kids pour the water over the trucks and cars, have them scrub. You can talk about why we keep things clean, why we keep ourselves clean. And have a lot of fun with this and make lots of bubbles. Sometimes it's fun to put in a paintbrush. Children love to do things like that. And maybe you even want to do some bubbles. There's also a recipe for making your own if you would like to. Have a lot of fun. See you next time.
If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and follow us on social media. Daniel Boone Regional Library.